So, hello YouTube, first video in quite a long time now, and so I started doing some Cosmos stuff, because, well, I've been bored lately and just needed a break from college stuff, which has been very demanding, and yeah, so basically what I've got here is MIV, it's like a minimalistic VI, that old Linux text editor. And I don't know if, well, I've got a dual screen monitor here, and so yeah, as you can see. I don't know what the difference between MIV or, no, I mean, VI or, oh, okay, they might be the same. This is VI. See, my machine's pretty crap right now. Okay, never mind. I don't know. I'm more of a nano user myself. I'm more used to using nano and stuff. But what's this? I don't know. I just made this some. Oh no, here's a story. MIV or MIV, however you want to pronounce it, is a text editor that works with Cosmos. It's fair to say it's a lot more advanced than my current text editor included in my latest operating system called Medley. And let me just show you. Well, Medley is basically Chocolate OS, but I renamed it, and it's got a more unified versioning system. It's just a fair bit better now. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. So as you can see, let's find it. See a work in progress currently. I've got two branches. I've got the MIV branch, which is a work in progress to get MIV added to Medley, and I've got the normal branch that's on this, and same old text editor called Cocoa Edit, and had like Cocoa scripts at one point, but anyway, this one, it's not the best up. Well, I don't think it actually opens new files, so if you were to open Cocoa Edit, or maybe, yeah, I don't think it can open already existing files, so yeah, you can only either add files or make new files, but MIV is, well, you can open files that have already been made. Originally, the repo didn't have the file system functionality at first, so I asked Denis Barteschevich, I think his name is, well, I think that's how you pronounce it, asked him to add the FS functionality in the GitHub Cosmos group chat, and so yeah, he added it, and I improved it a tiny bit, like, well, this is, yeah, I've made a new pull request that adds all the functionality, so it can create specific files, open specific files, and choose whether to save it or whatnot. And I think originally, if you look at the bottom here, simple stuff I've done is press any key to continue. Well, actually no. Originally if I was press enter to continue, I've done stuff like read key, and I had to set each of these voids to static, otherwise it wasn't compiling it. So put as static and set the build to static as well, wherever it is. Yeah, it's forbidden key, I had to make that static, so static delay and whatnot. And Yeah, so I'm gonna try and get MIV, that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm trying to get MIV into Medley. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So yeah, the current one, I'll just show you what MIV does exactly. Yeah, this is a new version where originally it was all in the kernel.cs file. So I had to make a new class to make it a lot easier, and then class is called through there and whatnot. Yeah, let's just wait for this to load. For it. So of course, because all the debugging code is there still, Cosmos builds take quite some time, so yeah, it takes quite some time to build. Shouldn't take too long because I've already builded this commit, so yeah. I'm currently using OBS Studio to like record and stuff, and yeah. Come on, yeah, should be doing it now. Just demonstrate it, and then we'll get started in trying to get it to be integrated into Medley. There we go. Oh, it takes quite some time. I hope you can hear me fine, because what I've got is my mic on a crappy tripod, and yeah. Anyway, here we go. Okay, just gonna see it can, well, currently, the file names are like 8 by 3, so 8 character file name title, and then a 3 character file extension, and I think long file names are going to be implemented soon, but I think currently people are trying to get Cosmos to work with Visual Studio 2015, because the release candidate came out lately, and yeah, I've got it installed, but can't be used with Cosmos just yet, so I'm using VS 2015 Enterprise, where I got a license through school for, and but no, I made a text file earlier using it, and yes, yeah, it works. Okay, yeah, some stuff still needs sorting out, I think, but it's a bit laggy places and stuff, so testing 1, 2, 3, testing. I just press escape and colon WQ to write the file. I don't know why those are letters. I thought it'd be like SF to save file or something, or whether it's write and quit, I don't know. But content has been saved to log.txt, and no, but you guys can see there. So it's originally by Denis, and minor additions by moi. And let's try TQ. No. Yeah, what I need to do is get it so you don't have to reboot to create a new file, and so yeah, let's just go ahead, power off here. open up Visual Studio and no. I know that when it quits, there's a little something here. I don't know what happens really. EQ. I have thought of getting Nano to work because it's like a lot better really. Well, that's in my opinion, and I just find Nano much easier to use than Vim, but Vim will work just fine with this anyway. And if that goes there, then once we'll go here. Don't think of where that will go. Could maybe put this code in that other function, so we'll go okay, this is weird. We need to set that there. Should maybe not, because there's already a static string here. So if I set that to kernel.file, yeah, that should same there. Oh my god. Capitalization, eh? So what was file name equal to? That can be kernel dot. Yeah, that should be right. Okay. And just edit that a bit more. Last but not least, this will probably mess stuff up even more, but it'll be funny to see anyway. Spark though. Yeah, don't want that, because start MIV doesn't have any arguments, so let's go ahead and start that. Try and debug it. Oh, God. It's pretty whack how my laptop doesn't have virtualization support and the BIOS is really locked down, so I can't really do anything. So I can't overclock it to, say, 2 gigahertz, which is something I really want to do. And of course the GPU is really crap. It's an Intel Mobile Series 4 Express chipset or something. And I've been trying to get my Dell Optiplex and 55 to work, because I've just put an NVIDIA GeForce 2800 GS, I think, or 2400 GS in, and it's got an Intel Core 2 quad, 4 gigs of RAM, and got it for tenner, so it truly is great. I put the graphics card in myself because I didn't have a graphics card to use it with. When it didn't come with a graphics card, apart from the integrated VGA port. So I got the NVIDIA card from a old machine that the motherboard had Belgian resistors on, so it wouldn't boot. And so thankfully the graphics card is low profile, but I just had to take the front plate, fuck. I had to take the front plate off and use it there. And anyway, see, test.txt. Oh. Test.txt. Creating file. Yes. Okay. No, it should work. It's pretty good. Test. This is a test. I think that if you saw it in the code, let me show you. There's a delay function. I'm not sure where it is. Yeah, here. I think this delay function shouldn't be there because, as you can see, there's a delay between when I type and when it comes up, and using a standard console read line, there isn't as much delay. So I don't know whether it's because he's not using a console.read line, so he's using like console.read key, if you want. Yeah, so you might have to tinker around with the delay function. But anyway, hopefully I can open this and so as you can see, it is pretty blank. Hopefully I can save this and open another file afterwards. Then escape, Control WQ, save that file. There. .txt. Yes. Done. Yeah, that works. Okay, so escape and quit. There. Pressing the key to continue. Then what is it? Test.txt. Yes. Don't know what I've got there. Done. It all works. Brilliant. Let's quit that. And I'm sure it should be roots.txt. Probably not gonna work. Yeah. That's great. Quit. And yeah, if you don't know or you haven't used Cosmos before, well, with the current disk image for VMware that's bundled with it, so this was to test out FAT when it wasn't working and everyone trying to get it to work. The disk image already had a few files like pre-packaged onto it, but weren't made using Cosmos, I don't think. Instead, they may have used like a Linux Live DVD or CD or something, and then written the files to it, so we can test Cosmos's reading capabilities. And I think there's another one. If we look in the Cosmos repo, Cosmos.os. No, it's not .os. It's I think there's a way to see what files are bundled in with it. It's not on the wiki. If you go to build, I think, then VMware workstation, readme, yeah, it should be kudzu.txt. Kudzu.txt. This might say hello Cosmos. Yes. Yeah. That's it. So now we can see what specific files we want, and then we can, now we've got this to work, we could integrate it with Medley or any other operating system really. Now let's power that off now. and I'll probably pause this, well, stop this video here because I'm hungry. And once I'll upload this and then upload the next step. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.